Good evening. It is 6 o'clock. It is Saturday, the 11th of January, and you are looking at the little 1917 REO. This is how far it is. We're waiting for the tires to come. We have all the inner tubes and everything else. We just don't have the tires for the rear, but everything is there, done. You can see the chassis. It's absolutely magnificent. And if you remember seeing it when we acquired it, a month or so ago, it was absolutely dog breath. Been sitting out for God knows how long, probably 100 years it seems like. Certainly was in pitiful condition, but wasn't really. Yeah, we made all the aluminum pieces, and Andres has gone through the entire chassis and everything. It's absolutely fantastic. It's really a very spiffy piece. Our next little project on it, which will be Tuesday when we're working on it again, and I want to show you this again. I keep going back to the steering, but I think it's so damn cool, I can't believe it. What we're going to do, since it's such a high setup on it, we're going to drop it down, which means all this has to be modified in here and changed and worked out. So it will drop the profile, so it'll be much nicer. Anyway, just wanted to show you that to you. We have been doing a few things on the Beast of Turin, but it's been slow because we're waiting for a few things to do. And that's basically it. Here's Andreas. Say hello, Andreas.
Hi there.
And hello from me. And no time to say hello. Goodbye. We're late. Have a good weekend, and we'll talk to you very soon.